In this final video, we're going to look at curriculum design in reality. And actually, when you're designing a curriculum, you'll use a combination of the different models. Maybe 3, maybe just 2, but also you may be determined of which model you can use. For instance, if you've chosen a course and the awarding body has chosen an endpoint assessment, you're then going to be stuck with that particular type of curriculum design. So that might be a syllabus where you're only going to be assessed on about 20% of that syllabus in your final exam. So you'd then have to apply for your assessment the content model. In some teams or in some institutions, you are free to determine how you would deliver that content to the students. So you might choose, even if you've got an endpoint assessment, to actually deliver that as a process model. And you would take your students where they've been before, where they currently are, and where their gaps are in their knowledge to make sure they're ready for that endpoint assessment. For instance, if you're in a college and you've got students doing GCSE resits, you might use that information from their high school, from their GCSE exams, and then try to pinpoint where their gaps are in their knowledge, so when they come to sit that final exam and that resit, they will hopefully get that information they need to pass that course at the end. And sometimes, as a teacher, you get to decide how you want to make it work, which model you want to use, or maybe a combination of the different models you want to use. And if you are doing the Module 4 assessment at Suffolk New College, then what I want you to do is pick at least 2 of the models to pick in your curriculum proposal. I want you to determine why you chose those models and why you've decided to select either one of those or a combination of those, but I want you to at least choose 2 of those. You can choose more if you feel that's appropriate, but for the minimum, I'd like you to choose at least 2 of the curriculum models. And if you're preparing for Ofsted, I hope these videos have helped you and given you an idea of what different types of curriculum design models are out there. There are loads more, so feel free to do some extra research. You've got the grassroots model, you've also got solo taxonomy that might work for you as well. So have a look at those different models and they might fit better with your particular proposal or your curriculum design that you're hoping to come up with. Thanks for watching.